Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Myself Ravish Kumar and the USN is 1VE22CS126. Today I am going to explain the term file and directory in Python. So let's move to the topic. The introduction part. In this video I am going to cover about the Python and what is file, what is directory, creating, changing and checking the directory. What is Python? Python is an interpreted object-oriented high-level programming language with dynamic semantics. Its high-level built-in data structures combined with the dynamic typing and dynamic binding make it very attractive for rapid application development as well as for use as a scripting or glue language to connect exciting components together. Python's simple easy to learn syntax emphasizes readability and therefore reduce the cost of program maintenance. Python supports modules and packages, which encourage program modularity and code reuse. The Python interpreter and the extensive standard library are available in source of binary form without charge for all major platforms and can be freely distributed. Often programmers fall in love with Python because of the increased productivity it provides. Since there is no compilation step, the edit test debug cycle is incredibly fast. Debugging Python programs is easy. So what is a file? The file handling plays an important role when the data needs to be stored permanently into the file. A file is a named location on disk to store related information. We can access the stored information non-volatile after the program termination. The file handling implementation is slightly lengthy or complicated in the other programming language, but it is easier and shorter in Python. In Python, files are treated in two modes as text or binary. The file may be in the text or binary format, and each line of a file is ended with a special character. Sometimes it is not enough to only display the data on the console. The data to be displayed may be very large or only a limited amount of data can be displayed on the console since the memory is volatile. It is impossible to recover the programmatically generated data again and again. Hence, a file operation can be done in following order. So there are three file operations. First is open a file, read or write, performing operation, and how to close the file. What is directory? Directory is a collection of files and subdirectories. Directory inside a directory is known as a subdirectory. Python has OS module that provide us with many useful methods to work with the directories and file as well as directories are used to store, arrange, and segregate files on the system. They are majorly used to manage things when there are a large number of files by arranging the code within different directories. A directory, also known as a folder, is a group of files and subdirectories. The directory which is at the highest level of hierarchy, that is the one that does not have a parent, is called the root directory. A string of characters that is used to uniquely define the way to reach the file is called the path of that file. It contains a combination of directory and folder names separated by slashes and colons and gives the location of the file on the computer. So here is the code for creating, changing, sorry. Here is the code for creating, changing, and checking the directory. So now we are going to the ideally to run this program. First of all, we have to make a folder in the file. Here I make the folder. The folder name is Python video. Now open the IDE to run this program. Now run this program. Here the code for creating, changing and checking the directory. Now I'm going to run this program. The Now we have to copy the folder name, folder path. Now type the folder name. So the directory is found. Now it asks the to change the directory. So type yes, enter the directory. Now copy this path and paste here. And we have to write a backslash. The checking directory not found, and the directory created. Now we check the directory in the folder. Now open this folder. Here the Ravi's name directory is founded. So this is the code for creating, checking, and changing the directory. If you really like this video, please subscribe, like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you.